I can make you do different things. Have you ever? Could you do that?
No, I can make my burps, kinda. Do it.
But I haven't done
Say
it.
Brooke.
No,
Okay.
I can't.
What can you say? you didn't say anything.
Because these ones are coming like I don't even know.
Is Beauty by Dolly open today? It's Friday. Yeah.
It's every day but Monday, right?
Do you want to go?
My breath won't leak.
Oh! Why aren't you saying